Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the Apple Mac Mini M1 and what's inside of it. The first thing you need to do is to remove the plastic shroud on the bottom. Get a plastic tool and pry it away. After that, there are 6 Torx 6 screws you need to undo. Be careful, as the Wi-Fi antenna is attached to the motherboard, and you need to undo a further 1 Torx 6 screw to take it away. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. The next thing in line is the cooling fan. To take it out, undo all 4 screws with the same screwdriver you've used until now. Then, disconnect the cable from the motherboard by lifting it away. Before you do anything, unplug the power connector, as well as the connector next to the fan header. To do so, you need to remove some tape from the former and pop a clip on the latter. If your goal is to take the motherboard out of the chassis, there are only 2 Torx head screws you need to undo. This time, you need a Torx 10 screwdriver. Keep in mind that you need to use some force, as they are tightened quite a bit. After you're done, just push on the heatsink to slide the motherboard away from the body. And this is how it looks. Sadly, all of the memory and storage is soldered, so you won't be able to upgrade anything internally. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.